my kitchen! Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you another unboxing video. So, a little backstory. A month ago, I created my Instagram page and I made a joke with my fiance that if I reach 1,000 followers on Instagram, I will make a cooking video channel on YouTube. And he seconded by saying, if I get 1,000 followers on Instagram, he will gift me a GoPro to record my videos, my cooking videos. So, fast forward 1 month later, I got more than 1,000 followers, and guess what? He gave me a GoPro! Yes, he's true to his promise. So, please continue watching.